Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to be working on the twin turbo Forester. Stay tuned. Alright guys, last episode we went for a drive in the Foz and it was good. Definitely needs a tune, but we did have a leak from the oil drain from the GT35. Now to get the braided hose, I pretty much need to take all this out, because it's right in and tucked under into the head, and yeah, I wanted to fix it tonight but don't have the time to do all that because I wanted to drive it tomorrow. But the reason why I wanted to drive it tomorrow was it's actually the last day it's registered, so yeah. So unfortunately we're not going to be driving it. Well, it sucks. We did get a few clips from yesterday. Actually, that was Saturday. It's now Monday. Anyways, yeah, so I've decided to pull this apart and get the engine out so we can get the cams in. So after we get the cams in, we'll be getting a dyno tune done professionally. So we'll be able to drive this around more. And we're going to be fixing up all the wiring and stuff while the engine's out, clean up the engine bay, put some heat protecting in there, so we hopefully never need to take this out again. Only to do intercooler piping, but we won't have to take it out. We'll probably just reverse mount the manifold and get it out down there. Anyways, let's start pulling this apart once again. Alright guys, it's the next day, I believe. Anyway, it's Wednesday night now. Had to stay home today. The youngest one was sick. He was up most of the night vomiting on his birthday, which is not great. But yeah, I was pretty much just by his side all day today, so I didn't get out here. I haven't pulled any of it apart just yet. Been thinking maybe I'll just get this out and get this skyline in and get the skyline done and ready for sale. And because I still need to get a few things for this, I need to get the EJ25 sump. So the engine's not going to be going back in without that on, because I've got the Killer Bee pickup over here and it doesn't fit on with the EJ20 sump. So I don't see the point until I get that in my hot little hands to start pulling this apart. Yeah, because once I start pulling it apart, I can't move it. So this might be a short one, guys, but comment down below, do you think I should start on the skyline, start working on that, doing some body work and get that up for sale, so I can put more funds into this and potentially maybe another car. I'm thinking maybe a wrecked car to fix up, probably a Toyota, because I work at Toyota and I can get parts cheap. So yeah, I guess an 86 is kind of a Subaru, so maybe an 86 or a BRZ. If the part numbers correspond with each other, I don't see why I can't use Toyota parts on it. So yeah, it's definitely a lot of work to be done on this. Yeah, the weather's getting better. Maybe if I get it out, I could potentially get the engine out outside. That's probably not a good idea. Anyways, yeah, comment down below. Get stuck back into the skyline. I still need to get a grille for it and probably a lower lip for that bumper. I think I might do that, guys. So yeah, probably for the next few weeks we'll be working on the skyline. We're doing bodywork stuff in here, so we're going to be doing fiberglassing, making center gauge pods for the Forester, maybe even doing the guards for the Forester. But yeah, pretty much I've got to clean this place up so we can do some painting, So I like to redo the wheels on the Skyline as well, because they are shocking, and potentially another full body spray with 2-pack, so it'll adhere a lot better and just level out and be a lot harder. So yeah, maybe not the factory Nissan color either, maybe a Toyota Pearl, because that looks quite yellow compared to a Toyota Pearl White. So yeah, I'll get some prices on some paints. But yeah, I'm gonna put this on hold. Rego runs out tonight, so I can't drive it. I did want to get it out, but yeah, that leaking oil return is not good, and I don't want to damage this engine. So yeah, we'll just swap the cars around for next episode, and we'll get stuck into the V35. I can still be doing, little things, doing like the grill on this, doing little things. Let me know if you want me to make a mold of this too, and we can produce some of those grills for you guys. Yeah, I could, start to pull things out, like boxes, cooler piping. Yeah, I could actually pull cooler piping off, because no, I need the intake air temp. I need that there. Forget I said that. Let's get the Skyline in. So yeah, just a short one, guys. I'm going to wrap it up here. I need to go edit this, and I'm really not in the mood for moving cars around tonight. There's lots of mozzies out. I've already been eaten alive. But yeah, if you're enjoying the content on the channel, make sure you subscribe so you keep up to date with everything. We're going to be coming back strong with this, with the stage 2 cams from BC, so be sure to keep an eye out for those episodes. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.